Good morning, everyone. I hope I don't look too bad. I did a chemical peel yesterday and have the worst dry patches everywhere, and now I wish I hadn't done it. We came to Port Sunlight today in Merseyside, and do you remember when I told you like 2 or 3 videos ago, I'm not sure, that I'm not really into Peaky Blinders? I am now. I started watching it and it's so good. So one of the filming locations was Port Sunlight, which is a model village built by the Lever brothers, who had a soap factory which today is part of Unilever, the big group. So we're going to have a look again around the village, and later on, like behind me, not sure if you can see it, there is a gallery, the Lever Gallery, an art gallery. Yeah, do you remember last year there was a house on Rightmove? The website is called Rightmove, where the houses are sold.
Yeah.
Or how would you describe it?
It's an internet platform.
Yeah, exactly. So there was a house here in Port Sunlight which looked really nice.
Yeah, and it was affordable.
It was, yeah, that's right.
But it was sold within a week, so we even didn't get a chance to see it.
No, exactly. And that's the thing. It's like we have to learn the hard way. Yep. If you see a house on the market, you have to be so quick.
Yeah.
This is why we've been searching for 2 years.
Yep. Because we Germans are not quick in deciding when we buy a house.
That's true. Yeah. That's true, yeah. I think Holly from the Peaky Blinders lived somewhere there. I have to check on Netflix later, but I think she did. That's a beautiful corner, isn't it? It's really nice. I think it's not true what I said before, because the street was too busy. I'm pretty sure this is where Polly had her house. These houses here on this street are so nice. Port Sunlight used to live in this house for 2 years before he moved. It's one of the biggest houses here. Of course, I'm still looking for Hot Polly, and now I'm 100% sure this is one of her houses. Look how gorgeous they are. Going to the gallery now, but what I wanted to say, do you remember when we came here almost 2 years ago? It's really nice to visit in summer because they have so many flowers.
Yeah, and it's much warmer.
Yeah, it's warmer, but the roses, I remember the roses, they are so nice. We have to come back in summer.
Yeah, yeah.
That's the gallery. It's a first for us as well. We haven't been before. But I think it's great for families as well, since it's free, so It's always great. Look, why is art full of naked people? It's a good question. There are many naked people around here. We love Port Sunlight and check out all of the houses. I love the colourful doors, and the gallery was nice as well.
Yeah. This was a wonderful treat for a Sunday morning.
What's your favourite bit?
The paintings of Rossetti, which I saw in the gallery. I love them.
Yeah.
I love them. The style and what he paints. Yeah.
It was just one painting.
Well, but it was wonderful.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, I love it.
And now we're looking forward to a hot cuppa at home.
Yeah, and some cake.
Yeah.
And
then we'll see you very soon. Bye!